Wagon, Georgia. We're trying.
All right, I guess I got to pretend to get this tire changed and this master cylinder changed out on this bike. So I'll be listening, man.
Hey, have yourself a good one, screwdriver.
Yeah, you do.
152. Get back to work. 152. That was 806.
I don't know about work, but I'm gonna go back to doing something.
All right, there. You're sounding good. Just crossed from Florida into Georgia, right here at the state line. You're sounding good. 806.
Yeah, we're up at 370 Kodiak. Hey, 370 Kodiak, sounding real good around Tampa. 370, 813 in Tampa, right back, right?
And sand piles on the mail.
Alright, 370, appreciate you putting the bump and the smoke on, no doubt about it. Hey, 370, 813 down here.
10 for Suicide Jockey up there in D.C. That sounds appropriate for sure. Have a good one up there in the old D.C. district. The old 101 down here in the Florida Big Bend. We're on standby. Good morning, 127. Sounding loud and clear up here in the Florida Big Bend. Yeah, 101, about 10 miles north of the Big Bend of Florida. Back to you. I got a good copy on you there. Sounding good down here in the Florida Big Bend. The old 101. Back to you.
About the 525 in Freeport, Maine.
This home make antenna on these 200 bird Washington.
Yeah, Big Dog make a lot of noise.
No,